Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video to any of you trying to find fuses relays for the SRS module, also known as Supplementary Restraint System on Volkswagen Tiguan 4th generation. Guys, consider this video for entertaining purposes only. Do not attempt anything. This is not a how-to video. You have to be qualified and certified to work on airbags, even just checking the fuses. Otherwise, you can cause them to malfunction, which can cause injuries or even death. So again, for entertaining purposes only video, this is not a how-to video. Do not attempt. Quick reminder for any of you working on the airbag system, even if you're just checking a fuse and you're qualified and certified to do that, you need to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour, and you need to know which battery terminal to disconnect, reconnect first. If you don't know about that, we have a video in the description of the video below on our channel that will explain all about that. Now guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we'll guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So for the SRS module, Supplementary Restraint System module, fuses, relays, where they're located, guys. First thing, most people open the hood facing the engine on the right side, on the driver's side, they assume the fuse is right here, but it's not, guys. Okay, we'll first start by checking two fuses where they're located. Actually inside the Volkswagen Tiguan on the driver's side. You need to go ahead, open the driver door. Underneath the steering wheel on the left side, if you remove the panel right here, we have the panel removed, you will get many different hidden components like fuse boxes, relays. You have many hidden relays as well on the back side. If you want to see how to remove that panel, where all your hidden relays and fuses are located, we have a video that's called VW Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, video that can save you a ton of money, guys. It's on our channel, check it out. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay. They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Now, two fuses in our case are for that system. The first fuse we need to check, we'll talk about the relays in a little bit. The first fuse is fuse number 9, that first fuse in the middle row, that mini fuse, and the number is right under the fuse, fuse number 9. Now guys, we have another one. Which one? Fuse number 13. You wonder where 13 is located? That fuse right here. fuse number 13 as well. Some other models may even actually have some other fuses. We tried our best to find them, but relays, you don't have a relay. The relay function practically is controlled by the airbag module. Okay, so you have fuses that are known as relay fuses that you will need to check on your Volkswagen Tiguan. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.